Hello and welcome to the Santu Pirls Market Commentary. Market week ending Friday, July 2013. Market breadth. With this past week's market rise, our bull-bear point and figure ratio rose from 1.77 to 2.06, advancing further back into bullish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns increased 2% to 2,212. The count of bearish stocks decreased 7%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns increased 8%. The Santu Pirls PNF Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 3 consecutive weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Excel data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking on Membership, and clicking on Sign Up. For those who are interested, there is a free 2-week trial subscription available. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 218 points for the third rise in 8 weeks. At a positive 716.45 points, it has now risen above the May 2013 top, the March 2013 top, the September 2012 top, the February 2012 top, the January 2011 top, and the November 2010 top, and continues above the September 2012 top and the November 2011 top, the August 2010 bottom, the March 2011 bottom, the June 2011 bottom, the August 2011 bottom, the December 2011 bottom, the May 2012 bottom, and the November 2012 bottom. Market gauge volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Russell 2000 ended in accumulation mode. In the last 2 weeks, it had 4 accumulation days and 1 distribution day. Of the other indexes, both the S&P 500 deposit receipts and the Diamonds Trust ended in accumulation mode. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week, the Russell 2000 ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Momentum. On Tuesday, July 9th, the CCI 20 daily had 6 consecutive days above zero for a change in Woody's trend. Now at 80.66, it continues outside the range for a valid zero-line reject. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 23 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 1 week ago. The CCI 20 weekly got a valid zero-line reject signal for Monday, July 8th open. This week, the CCI 20 continued above plus 100, rising. We will continue to follow the results of this trade simulation in next week's commentary. Industry rotation, the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 and bottom 5 industries are positive. Bullish, Internet, and networkers continue in the top 5. REITs have left the bottom 5. Bearish, gold and silver leads the top 5. Disk drives and S&P retail have left the top 5. Brokers, Comtech, and S&P retail have entered the bottom 5. Focus this week. Enough Oz economics. Let's get back to Kansas reality. by Ben Tanosborn, July 20th, 2013. From the article, quote, "Rampant predatory business and limitless unrestrained greed have made our free enterprise system during the past 3 decades nothing but a joke in bad taste. For our system is neither free, nor does it reward enterprise. Ours has become a system of maximized spoils, serving exclusively those who hold capital." End quote. Here's more, quote, "An overinflated legion of best and brightest who have measured up to be neither best nor brightest, unfortunately just serving their personal needs as consigliere to a socio-political system run by self-serving, corrupt politicians at every level of government." End quote. And finally, quote, "Detroit just made the news as it filed for bankruptcy. A model city in the century-old upsurge of American industrial enterprise, it has now become the profit messenger of its decline. Over 70,000 decaying structures and pension promises which won't be kept in this city being an albatross for what's to be new America. At the end of the day, a productive society must create an efficient combination of building products and needed services. Its GDP hardly to be represented by a ridiculous measurement of overconsumption and unneeded services. There's little, however, that can be done to keep the curtain down in Oz. It's slowly going up, and soon the world will see us with our pants down. And as the curtain goes up, there won't be a place for us to hide, and we'll have no other choice than to return to the reality, which is Kansas." End quote. Some sobering thoughts, certainly well-founded. Thank you for joining us for this week's market commentary. We hope that you have a great week coming up, and happy trading.